Here is our new design for the all-in-one laminating machine, which combines both function for LCD lamination and also bubble remover, and it does not need air compressor and no need vacuum pump. It works really convenient for small repair shops and also the beginners. Each day can do in like 20 pieces to 30 pieces and fit for all the LCD screen under 7 inch. And now we will use our iPhone 6 to do a short brief demo here. Price for this machine is really very competitive. You can contact us for more details. And we use this cold press alignment mode and the cold press part. We supply the cold press part also. It combines the front panel glass, the base frame, and also OCA film and ear mesh together. Good quality is available and also best price. Okay, and then put it inside this machine. Click start. You do not need to do any settings for this machine because all the settings are pre-programmed inside already. And the door for this machine, it is the lock door, so no need to use any screws. It works very quietly while in operation, and the whole process will take around 4 minutes. It will finish both the lamination and bubble removal together. Releasing the air, and it will take another like 2 minutes, so we will come back later and see what happens inside. Now it finished. Okay. So no bubbles.